Hi there, it's Claire from Clairified Creations, and welcome to a Prepare for Work with Me vlog. Today I have a bunch of errands to run, and I'm going to be showing you all what I am doing to prepare for my first job as a nurse. So before we get into this video, I wanted to share with you guys a couple pieces that I am really loving, and I want to say thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. I've worked with this company several times, and I want to say I absolutely love all their products. I'm actually wearing their earrings right now, and this is what I'm going to be wearing to go to work. I love that these little mini hoops, they look so elegant and sophisticated. I am a big fan of small jewelry, and I think this really elevates any outfit. And a little update on the wear, because you want to know, is your jewelry gonna last? And let me tell you, these still look brand new. There has not been any tarnishing or anything like that. Ana Luisa is so confident that they'll last. They actually have extended their warranty. It used to be 1 year, but now it's 2, so you can put your earrings to the test, your necklaces to the test. I know I most certainly do. I will take a shower in these, go swimming, everything. I just do daily life, and you know, these pieces have held up very well. I wanted to show you guys a couple more that I am planning to maybe wear to work. So first of all, it is these tiny little studs, and they're flowers, and they're so sparkly. And a big thing that I really appreciate is all of their jewelry is hypoallergenic, quality tested, so you never have to worry about, is this going to affect my ears if you have sensitive skin, which I do. I cannot wear any types of cheap earrings. I have to have good quality. A couple other things is this gold necklace. You can see it looks brand new. It looks like I've never worn it, but I have worn it several times. If you guys want to try them out, I actually have a discount code for you all. You can get 20% off your order with the code CREATIONS20, and I will have all the information in the links down below in the description, so you can click that link and get yourself a nice little gift, or for someone else. With that being said, I have lots of things to do today. I have a couple errands to run, going to return a few things. I'll show a clip of yesterday. I finally got a drying rack. I know, a big adult purchase of $25. I will also be showing you all my scrubs that I've gotten, because I got several pairs, and I'll show you all the brands, and then kind of a what's in my backpack. This is what I'll be using. It is the Vera Bradley Lighten Up Grand Backpack version. It's several years old, but it has held up super great, and I'm not sure how long I'm going to be wearing this, because I might end up getting a new one sometime within the next few months, but for now, it's perfect. This was my clinical bag all throughout nursing school. Front pocket has nothing, because I may or may not have spilled some gum in there several years ago, and it's a little sticky still. You see I have everything organized. Just got a pair of random sunglasses, because you never know, in the hospital it gets super sunny. And inside here is sort of like a just in case kit, so it has everything from contact solution, I got just a little mini bottle, to Band-Aids, Benadryl cream in case I get a mosquito bite. Once again, you never know in the hospital. Some antibiotic cream. Yeah, just kind of like a little first aid almost, but not, because it has a couple extra things. An actual first aid kit, because I got this for free and thought, you know, might be helpful. And then over here, got all these pens organized, some deodorant, chapstick, because you can never have too much chapstick. And then this one, a foldable clipboard, my stethoscope, and this is the one I've used in nursing school. It is the Littman Classic 3, and I will be linking everything down below for you guys in case you want to shop, or if you see anything you like, and click the links. And one of my really close friends, she got this for me for graduation but it actually has my name on it. It says Claire in rose gold, and on the other side is just kind of a little floral design, which I thought was very creative and smart. So if somebody else does have the same stethoscope, because you know Littmans are sort of popular, we'll be able to distinguish because it actually has my name. Unless someone else is named Claire, then that could get a little confusing. I have so many pens, more pens than I would probably ever need. I actually picked up these from Amazon, the pastel kind, and they are the 0.5 millimeter because I like the smaller points because I feel like they write better and it's just easier to write with. Some scissor shears and a few highlighters, a random mask just in case I need it. I don't know if I will. Last but not least, I got some scrubs. Now these are going to be my extra scrubs in case something happens. So that is all the things I have in my work bag. Not too much yet. I'm sure things will change once I actually start working. But for now, just for computer training, I feel like that's really all I'll need. This is my current room. It's a little bit messy and I'm in the process of cleaning, so I will just kind of update you all throughout the day on what I'm doing and maybe show you guys a little bit of my now clean room once it gets there. Hey, I'm back. I meant to show you all the scrubs. These are all of my work clothes, my work attire, and let's just take you guys in. So, I guess I'll give you a quick little tour. On this side is where I have jackets and underscrubs. So the first one is a jacket and it says Claire RN. So you can see it'll keep me nice and warm. And it has RN, which is really sweet. The next one is just a plain black jacket and it is kind of a thinner material, so if I do get hot but still want something. White underscrub shirts over here. So I have all sorts of them, which this one is more of an athletic-y material. And moving on to the scrubs. So first pair I have, and I put all of these in pairs so you can see I have the top and bottom for when I do have to work. I can just grab them easily and they're all on one hanger. This is by Med Couture, also an extra small top and bottom. And you guys, this material is so soft and so light. I love it. It is the best thing. I want to wear these scrubs all the time, to be honest. Got a few pairs of those. Healing Hands. This one's a really nice pair too. And then some Grey's Anatomy by Barco, extra small active. And then Janu. Those are the ones I currently have hanging up. I also do have a couple extras where there's a scrub top and bottom. I just haven't hung those up yet. I'll put one of the Med Couture scrubs on just so you can kind of see the fit. It's so weird because your entire life you've been a student and now you introduce yourself and you say, I'm a nurse. What? This is the OOTD, but nurse edition. So it has lots of pockets. I have a pocket right here. These are the jogger style. Super excited to be wearing these. But yeah. Oh, also I didn't mention, probably should have, my hospital's uniform for nurses specifically is all black, which is why I'm wearing all black. They feel like pajamas almost. I actually have things to do, like clean my room, go run those errands. We're going to my grandparents tonight, so I should probably change back and be a normal person for a little bit. Okay guys, I'm gonna be making homemade salsa. This is the first time I've actually made it by myself, and I thought it'd be nice to be able to pack to work some days if I want, you know, something different. salsa has been made after a short hour and a half. You guys, it took me so long to put a bunch of ingredients in a blender and blend it and taste it. I got a jar for my grandparents that I'm gonna bring over tonight, and then an entire other Tupperware for us. With that being said, I went to the mailbox, got a couple packages, and I will show you all the things I've got. They're kind of specific for work and kind of not at the same time, but I'm definitely gonna be using them soon. This is the first thing. Ta-da! It is indeed a 6-shelf closet organizer. I already do have one, but I thought it'd be good to just put some more things in there, grab and go. I got a bunch of sweaters to put in here, and maybe scrubs. And the next package, first thing, it is indeed a milk frother. We do have an automatic one, but quite honestly, it's a lot of work to clean that every time, and there's a little thing on the bottom so you can't really get the bottom wet, and it's sort of not the best because I may have left milk in there for over a month and then it smells moldy still. So we got the handheld one for all those coffees for work. Pack of 10 retractable ID clips, and I just got the clear ones. You also might be wondering, why in the world did you order 10, Claire? Do you really need that many for your badge? Well, it was the cheapest pack I could find with the smallest amount of quantities. And my plan is I'm gonna put some of my badge reel toppers on these so I can interchange them. This is the main reason for this purchase. So you see this really cute cowl. It ended up breaking off. Actually, I broke this off because I knew I was gonna get a new one. What happened is it fell off of my shirt and it fell onto the concrete really hard. So you can kind of see it's all bent and it won't clip. That's why I got this one, which will clip, and I will just hot glue it. So it'll look like this and it'll be nice and restored. And it was honestly a better deal. It was either 2 for $8 or 10 for $11. So I went with the, better option. And last but not least, I accidentally got some really thin ponytails. You guys, I thought that these were the bigger ones, but they're not, which is why they were $2.99. It makes a whole lot more sense now. This is not what I needed. I mean, I can always still use the thin ones, but do you guys see how thick my hair is? It's not that bad, but definitely not going to be able to use these to put up my hair in a ponytail, which is a little disappointing. Things like that happen all the time to me. I'm going to actually get some work done, hang up the organizer, and try and get my life a little bit more organized. Closet organization is finally done after a couple days and lots of hours. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of everything. This one, I've got very important coffee to keep me going. The next shelf, I'm keeping some compression socks, regular socks, and headbands, badge reels, which I need to fix this one still, masks, a bunch of IV Start stuff that I got from a while ago, stethoscope case, old nursing school stethoscope, blood pressure cuff, my nurse mug, and other nursing keep calm, not that calm. That is very true. More masks and random sunglasses and things. This side is more of the wintry era. Sweaters, joggers, more sweaters, scrubs from school from UT, and then extra fun looking scrubs that I can never wear to work because I have to wear all black. Dad and I are going to be going down to my grandparents a little bit early, and then I'm going to do my errands tomorrow since I will be more out that way anyways. So I will share that tomorrow, but for now, let's go over to Grandma's. She's making a pie, and I will show you all what that looks like and come back and maybe do some more cleaning. We'll see. It's a little bit later, and of course I forgot to vlog everything at my grandparents'. We really didn't do too much. I helped a little bit with dinner. We ate dinner, had a peanut butter chocolate pie, which was very good. I'm gonna go water the plants and then maybe try and organize some of my clothes in the dresser, but that might not be till later tonight. So this is the finished product. Looks almost exactly the same as it used to be, except I added this flower. This is it with a little mini Sharpie. I got this from one of the hospitals I worked at. They gave it to me, and this comes in handy so often because you always need just a small little Sharpie to write dates on things, especially tubing and IV piggybacks. This is great to have. And I got a little angel. I got this from working at the ER. One of the paramedics came and she was just handing them out to all the nursing students, kind of told us the story on why she gives them out. Officially ready to go. I'm thinking I'm gonna be organizing my desk next so I can have a clean workspace to go home to for editing videos mostly, since I don't have any school anymore or studying. All of my pens, and that's not even all. I have another set, but I want to go through and organize these into something that isn't gonna, you know, take up 3 containers. Good morning, guys. It's the next day, and as promised, I am going to be bringing you guys along for a couple things that I have to do. Gonna return the scrubs and everything, and then later today I'm gonna be going to the pool, gonna go swimming. As you can see, I have different earrings in today, my favorite little pearl ones, and then just this necklace. So we're gonna head out together and get those things done. That's the end of today's vlog. Thank you again, Anna Luisa. Make sure to click the link in the description to save 20% off. Bye!